Most traders lose their entire account in just 60 seconds of pure madness. Your brain is literally hijacking your keyboard, forcing you to double down on a losing streak because of a dopamine-driven fight or flight response. I'm going to show you a 5-minute psychological circuit breaker that forces your prefrontal cortex to take back control before you blow another trade. Stop the retaliation and start the execution. If you accidentally touch a hot stove and burn your hand, your biological instinct isn't to violently slap the stove a second time to win back your unburned hand. You instantly pull away and run it under cold water. But in trading, when the market burns you, your instinct is to slam your hand right back onto the burner with double the lot size. This happens because a losing trade triggers your amygdala, immediately initiating a primal fight or flight response. You are no longer executing a mathematical strategy. You are trapped in a biological loop, hunting for a massive dopamine hit to instantly erase the psychological pain of the loss. Your trading platform morphs from a professional tool into a dangerous neurological trap, especially during moments of high market volatility. Think about an old arcade pinball machine. When a player gets angry and starts physically shaking the machine to force the ball exactly where they want it, the machine flashes tilt, the flippers lock up, and the game completely shuts down to protect itself. That is exactly why you must install a mandatory 5-minute physiological circuit breaker into your daily routine. This rule is your internal tilt mechanism. The moment you take a painful loss and feel that hot rush of anger in your chest, you must lock your own flippers and shut the game down. This cannot be a simple mental break where you tab over to Twitter or stare at a different chart. You must execute a mandatory physical departure. You have to stand up, push your chair back, and physically walk entirely out of the room, leaving the glowing monitors far behind you. You are the CEO of your trading business. But when you are angry, your primal brain takes over like a drunk gambler throwing chips at a roulette table. This 5-minute circuit breaker acts as the casino bouncer. It grabs the drunk gambler by the collar, throws him out the front door, and only lets the cold, calculating CEO back into the building. Once you step away from the desk, you must initiate a tactical nervous system reset. Forget the soft meditation terminology. This is the exact breathing protocol that military snipers use to lower their heart rates under heavy fire. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. You are forcefully shifting your body from a sympathetic panic state back to a parasympathetic resting state. Combine this tactical breathing with a violent physical pattern interrupt to completely shatter the cognitive loop. Go to the bathroom and splash freezing cold water directly onto your face. This instantly triggers the mammalian dive reflex, rapidly slowing your heart rate and physically shocking your brain out of the revenge trading fever. Before you even think about walking back to your desk, you need to physically check your body for residual stress. Unclench your jaw. Drop your tightly raised shoulders. Open your squeezed fists. If there is still physical tension in your body, your brain is still preparing for a fight, and you are not ready to look at a candlestick. The famous psychiatrist Viktor Frankl once wrote, "Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom." This 5-minute circuit breaker is your space. It is the ultimate gap between the painful stimulus of a stopped-out trade and the destructive response of revenge trading. Now that your prefrontal cortex is firmly back online, you enter the cognitive re-engagement phase. Instead of blindly opening your broker, you open your trading journal. You transition from physical calm to logging your exact emotional state, transferring the chaotic energy from your mind onto a piece of paper or a digital screen. You must learn to analyze that previous loss not as a devastating personal failure, but as a sterile, completely boring piece of data. Did you actually follow your back-tested model, or did you force a subpar setup because you were impatient? Review the original trade plan to identify if the error was technical or purely psychological. You have to accept the ultimate trading truth. You do not have to make the money back the exact same way you lost it. Let go of the illusion of control and release the desperate need for immediate closure from the specific asset that just stopped you out. Before resuming your execution, you must establish strict, objective criteria that must be perfectly met before reopening any trading software. You write down the exact conditions required for your next setup. If those conditions do not appear, you absolutely do not trade. You are building a permanent wall between your emotions and your capital. You only re-enter the market arena when the burning, desperate need to trade has been entirely replaced by the quiet confidence of a high-probability setup. You establish a long-term habit of valuing disciplined, emotionless stillness far above the chaotic, adrenaline-fueled rush of constant market action. Your trading capital is not a weapon that you use to settle scores with the algorithm. It is a quiet, reliable business partner that you must fiercely protect. Every time you revenge trade, you are betraying that partner. When you employ the circuit breaker, you are defending the business. By mastering this simple 5-minute protocol, you effectively transform impulsive, account-destroying retaliation into highly disciplined, robotic execution. You stop bleeding money to your own unchecked emotions, and you secure your financial future through the immense power of neurological stillness. Stop the retaliation and start the execution. If this psychological circuit breaker resonates with you, and you are ready to stop letting your biology blow your funded accounts, hit the subscribe button right now. Share this video with a trader who needs to hear it. Leave a comment about your worst revenge trade, and I will see you in the next one.